Actually, before we do that.
Did you have to like let it warm up or something or no?
No, I just need to set.
The rear fan on?
Yeah, if you can do the rear fan. Cool.
All right.
Clean the windshield a little bit.
At least it all dried out. Look.
We got bikes coming. Nice and slow.
How's been your air pressure? You've been checking it?
Yeah, I got it right here on the screen.
What are you at now?
So I normally start at like 27-ish cold,
Yeah.
and it gets up to like 31,
Okay.
32. It's what the guy who had these on a Tesla before I bought them used from him.
That's what he said to
Yeah,
them.
and it's been feeling pretty good.
So
for
31 hot is hot enough.
me. Yeah, it seems like it.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, I haven't really
Have you
deviated,
checked
honestly.
the sides? Make sure they're not
Yeah,
rolling?
I'm right at the triangle.
Okay, so you're right there.
Yeah.
You're not over. You're
No,
not,
I'm definitely not
rolling.
over.
Okay, good.
So
That's the main thing. That you're
yeah,
not rolling.
yeah, you don't want to roll.
Yeah, because then you're wearing it prematurely and
Yeah.
all that.
Yeah, they're actually pretty cold right now. So.
Right. I mean, you've been set out for 2 sessions, so just
Yeah,
give it a little time. I mean, you know.
2. Yep.
The good thing, it's pretty warm out. You know, you'll start.
Yeah, it'll warm up.
You know, as you start braking,
Yeah.
you'll start getting a little heat on it. You know, and then the right-hander, the 2 right-handers will, you know.
Imagine some of those bikes get pretty fast on that straightaway.
Oh yeah, I mean, at the end of the straightaway, they could get up to like 130, 140.
Yeah.
Because they're so light.
Yeah.
And they, you know, as they come up here, I mean, they're probably going already like 50, 60.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So then, you know, picking up, it, you know, picks up. Especially the bigger bikes that, you know, pick up quick.
Yeah.
The kid has the lights on. I should tell him to turn the lights off. He shouldn't have the light. He has the high beams on. But
Oh, on the
race car.
That's a really nice rig he has.
What's this?
The race car is really nicely set up.
Yeah, yeah. They bought it already all set up like that.
Oh, nice.
That's those cars. For you to build something with a roll cage.
Yeah.
Just the roll cage before it. It will be like $8,000.
Yeah.
You know.
And then
to
it's
just,
gotta get
you know, and then
certified
everything
and
else,
yeah,
you know.
exactly.
So with stuff like that, you want it already. Somebody already put the money in, you know, and
Yeah.
I'm a little closer to the yellow line.
Okay. On that side?
Just got we're closer to the yellow line, so it's a better shot going up. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just stay smooth through the turn. Good line out of there.
Losing a little bit of power, but we can still have one.
Experience. The guy on the Beamer, several years in drifting and he does a lot of track days. So you know what I mean? That makes a big difference. You don't have a lot of years of driving, right?
Not really. No, just like I used to do one thing a year. So
okay. So it takes time. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't get aggravated. That you know what I mean? That you're not going as fast as some of these people. He's getting out. Go ahead. Don't get aggravated. You know, it will come to you. Okay. everything stay consistent, then the rest will start coming to you. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now,
this one is
your
probably
body
my
has the
one.
big advantage on you. He has slicks.
Yeah.
Slicks make a huge difference. Even though you have good summer tires,
Yeah.
but slicks, you know,
It's a whole different ballgame.
they hold you a lot more. There's a lot more grip.
Yeah.
So, you know, you can't really compare apples to apples.
No, no, no.
Right on the money.
Good.
There's like maybe tiny little adjustments that you could do.
I gotta pay attention to.
Your line is on the money. I'm very happy with what you're doing.
Yeah, and I mean,
you gotta remember your other buddy. You can't compare to him. He has the slicks.
Oh yeah.
And then you're racing against a race car. Yeah, you can't really compare. It's much lighter. It's a full race car.
Oh yeah.
And you know. So I mean, you're doing excellent.
Yeah, I'm very happy with the line, and of course now we have no power and the day's over. But now that I have the line, I just have to come back.
But yeah, I mean, you kept it. The whole thing is to keep like a harmony going.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Of smoothness, just nice and smooth. So you know, you're not scrubbing way too much speed by doing the wrong thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, and I mean, there's definitely more to be learned on late entry, right? There's definitely stuff to tweak with braking and stuff. But
yeah,
like,
but I mean, you are being careful in doing all the braking and like on that real tight left-hander at the end of the chute.
Yeah.
You know, you come up to it and you hit it and you're like, you know, you do a nice braking, then you get on the gas right away, which is important.
Yeah.
A lot of people end up by overshooting that because they're getting so greedy. They go in there so hot, they screw up that turn, and then they screw up the following one too.
Yeah, exactly.
So, you know, very, very good, man. I'm happy. I'm happy with the line and everything you did.
There we go.
Hey.
Thank you for the help.
Oh, man, my pleasure. I enjoy doing all this stuff.
Yeah.
And seeing people, you know,
I mean, it's
getting
not that
faster
often
and smoother. I mean, you were smooth the whole time, you know. You weren't like really putting your wheel wrong whatsoever, you know.
Yeah,
so I mean, it was good.
It was rougher this morning when I went out, but
it takes time.
It takes time, And in my head, I have the course going the other way because I've done that since 2016. I've done it the other way.
The other way.
So it took me a while to get this down.
It becomes a whole different racetrack.
Yeah. So.
He's on rails.